Yeah, okay.
I just started recording for Satsang.
Okay. Can I go ahead?
Yeah, Haraprasad, I've muted everybody and now unmuted you. Go ahead.
Okay. Now, you said the experiential ananda is anubhava ananda. And you also use the word anubhuta ananda. I didn't get the meaning of it.
Okay. Yeah. So, Anubhuta Ananda is the same as experience. It's just a Sanskrit word for experiential Ananda. That's all. That's all it is.
That is anubhava, right?
Yeah. Anubhava is a term in Sanskrit which means an experience. Which means experience.
Huh.
So, Anubhuta Ananda means experienced happiness.
Oh,
Experience.
Oh, okay.
Or experiential happiness, whichever way. And happiness that I recognize through all my happy experiences and unhappy experiences also is Anubhuta Ananda.
So are you saying anubhava ananda is same as anubhuta ananda?
Correct, correct.
Okay, thank you.
Anubhava Ananda, etc.
Okay.
So rarely, that is why many Swamis will never be named as Anubhutananda or Anubhavananda. I've seen Anubhavananda and one or two names some places, but generally you will have Swarupananda, you will have Sadananda, you will have Chidananda,
Yeah.
you will have Satchidananda Swami. All
Right.
this name will be there. And so yeah, both are the same thing. Experiential Ananda, Anubhuta Ananda, Anubhava Ananda, all are identical.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay. So, so Mahesh, hopefully we covered time a little bit today, right? In terms of
Christine.
Yeah, Mahesh, I unmuted you.
Yes.
Okay.
Experiential Ananda is a subset of Ananta, you know. It is a subset.
Yeah, so you can call it subset if you want. So when you tell me what you mean by subset.
It is like there is a brilliance of water. We take one glass of water from the well. There is a well, there is a lot of water. We take one and we study that and we come to some conclusion. It is not so of the entire well. Only top layer may be having these characteristics.
Good. Okay. So which means what? What is the implication you are making by that?
No, it is also same, but it is not the same.
So
it is also same, but it is not the same. It is a subset. If some conditions are met, that is sigma 0 to infinity something minus pi to plus pi like that. If that condition is met, this Ananda is same as that Ananda. If it is not there, this Ananda is not that Ananda.
Okay. So I'm going to mute you now. So Venkateshan ji's question is this. There is the ocean. All I have done, my Ananda is just, it's like taking a sip of the ocean. Correct? In all poems and it's there in all our, it's like taking a sip of you, oh Krishna, and give me, all of you, give it to me. Why you are teasing me like this? You're just giving me a little bit and you're walking away. So like that, a lot of poems and dohas and all are there. So Venkateshan ji's question is like this. So it is a subset. The Ananda I get is like a drop of ocean I have taken from the ocean. There is so much more left. So much more left. What is the meaning of that? Implication is what? It is not enough if I drink one drop of water. I need to drink a lot more. And then I can become happier and happier and happier and happier. And once I drink everything, then that Ananda is unbeatable. Only Vishnu can give me that Ananda. Okay. So subset idea comes. Subset. Subset means a portion, a small portion of which belongs to the whole. That is the meaning of subset. So now think about the implications of the statement. What Vedanta is saying that is that the Ananda that is me is what sustains the whole world of Ananda. That Ananda is not coming from outside. Really, it appears as though when I drink that drop of water from the ocean, I'm getting this Ananda. If you take that track, then what you're saying is right. If one drop of Ananda gives me so much happiness, hey, if one golden ring gives me so much happiness, 10 golden rings, imagine how much happiness it can give me. It can give me 10 times the happiness. Okay. The owner of this store, Swami Jewelers, there is a store here called Swami Jewelers. And the whole store is full of jewelry. And his number of floors also, every year it is adding one floor to his building. So now you can imagine. Therefore, my thoughts are going wild and say, if I get more gold, I will be happier. I must be happier. So I will caution you now right away. I will caution you right away. After all the analysis we have done, we are not talking about a quantity. We are not talking about something that is additive. Okay, let me use different words. Additive means what? If I put one pinch of salt in sambar, it is going to be something. If I have a doubt, I can put another pinch of sambar. The saltiness will increase. Salty taste will increase, and if I put a little more, it will go up even more. This is not the Ananda we are talking about. Okay. Therefore, the subset idea is a manner of speaking. It is a manner of speaking saying, hey Bhagavan, you are so big. Who am I? Who am I to understand you? Who am I to, I am just a beggar. I'm just getting a few pieces of this Ananda. Like that we say. That is okay. So it's a nice poetical way of saying it. But remember one thing, Venkateshanji, you are Ananda. The Krishna you are worshipping also is Ananda. And both Anandas are identical. Both are Sat, both are Chit, both are Ananta. Experientially, there is all these gradations. But remember, the Ananta is identical. That is why the Jiveshwara Aikyam, later on we will talk about the identity of Ishvara and Jiva. I think that's the grand equation that anybody can even talk about. So I'll stop with that now. But so that's an orientation, Venkateshanji. I just want to caution you. Yes, in a way, it is called subset. But
no, I told about experiential Ananda. Suppose I get something, I go to a movie, I get Ananda. This Ananda is also same as that Ananda, but this is conditional.
Conditional Ananda, I can accept it. But when you give the example of the ocean, then the implication becomes, if by seeing a movie I can get so much Ananda, then what? What is the implication of that? Does it mean I must go on seeing movies? I mean, it begs a question. It begs a question when we say that. Yeah, it doesn't mean that if I see so many, if I see 10 more movies, I'll get more ananda. That is not true. Correct? That is not true. If I am happy having one child, am I going to be happy having 10 children? Not true. Not a true statement. So we just have to be clear about that. But yeah, if you mean experiential, even in the experiential ananda, that statement may not be true. That's what I'm cautioning you. That statement may not be true even in experiential ananda. Think about it. Think about it. Think about it. Yeah. Good question. Okay. So if there are no other questions, we can stop the recording now.